Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a Sephora haul for you guys. I definitely had to take advantage of this last, well, what I think is the last like major sale for the year. I needed to pick up some things and I've been holding off on it. I don't know, I just haven't been really in the mood to like shop around for makeup and stuff like that. But I definitely had to take advantage of the sale and get myself a couple of things. Didn't really get too crazy, but I did get some things that I needed. And of course you always end up grabbing something that you didn't plan on buying, but you just get soaked up into the like craziness of Sephora and you just see so many different products and of course you just want to buy, but it really adds up in there. So you definitely have to choose wisely what you're gonna get. But anyway, I'm very excited to share with you guys what I picked up. So if you're interested on seeing what I got, just please keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with what I got for my hair. I needed some new shampoo and conditioner. And normally I don't tend to like buy in Sephora for my hair products, but I was there and of course, like I said, you're just lingering around, looking at different things and you just get, you know, sucked into it and you end up buying something that you didn't have in mind to buy. But anyway, I did need shampoo and conditioner. So I was looking around and I went with IGK. And this is called Bougie, and it has amla oil and it's deep repair shampoo and the deep repair conditioner. And this is the bottles, and each bottle has 8 ounces in it. And oh my god, this stuff, I haven't used it yet. I cannot wait to wash my hair so that I can try it out. Oh my goodness, but it smells divine. It smells so freaking amazing. Super excited to try this out and see what it does to my hair, because my hair has gotten a little bit like dry and rough, and yeah, my ends are not really that nice and smooth. I want my hair to be a little silkier. So I'm gonna try this out and see what it does for my hair. Hopefully it gives it some smoothness and helps, you know, repair it like it claims to say. The next hair product that I picked up is an oil. I ran out of my oil and I was using the bamboo oil, and I forget the brand, but I'll probably just put it up on the screen somewhere. It's a very good oil. It's definitely an oil I know I can go back to and reuse. It's not thick. It's really lightweight. It gives you the perfect shine. It smells amazing. But I wanted to try something new. And the last time I bought hair products in Sephora, I bought the QUAI line. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I would like to try this out. So I got their hair oil and it smells amazeballs. I also have not used this yet. Oh my god, but the smell is just amazing. I cannot wait to put this on my hair. Like, I really want to go wash my hair with my new conditioner and shampoo and then put my new oil, because I'm just so excited to use these things. But this smells so nice. And how much do you get? You get 1.5 ounces of product in here, and I just hope it's as good as the one that I was using, because I really like the other one. But this one looks like it should be like the same type of like consistency of an oil. So have high hopes for that one. Okay, so that's all I picked up for my hair. Now I'm gonna move on to skincare. This is a rebuy for me, and it's the HENRIKSEN Truth Serum, and this is the packaging. I love this serum. It just gives you such a nice like wake up call. You just feel refreshed in the morning. It's so lightweight. It dries up nice and fast, and it just feels amazing on the skin. I really, really love it. This is like my 3rd bottle of it. And again, it's the Truth Serum. It has it's collagen boosted with True C complex. It has a citrus scent to it. And for someone who has sensitive skin, it does not bother me at all. Like, I really enjoy the scent. Like I said, it just like wakes you up. It's like a nice breath of fresh air in the morning. Absolutely love this serum. And I also went ahead and got myself a cleanser that I also needed, and it's also from HENRIKSEN, and it's the same line. It's the Clean Truth Foaming Cleanser. I've used this before, so I went ahead and picked it up just because I like to use skincare, like my skincare products. I like to use things that are from the same line. Not every single thing, but the serum and the cleanser I feel like go together. So I went ahead and bought this, and this is the foam one. They have a gel one, which I wanted to try out because I've used this one already and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I just went ahead and stuck with the foam one. I've already used it, as you can see, and I really like it. This is another product that has the same citrus scent, and it's just refreshing. You come out the shower, your face just feels super clean, and and it doesn't dry me out or anything like that. So I really love these products. I feel like they're just great go-to products. Okay, the next skincare product that I picked up is a moisturizer, and I definitely didn't intend to buy this specific moisturizer, but again, you walk into Sephora and you just see things on display and it just draws you to it, and then you end up buying stuff that you didn't have in mind. I mean, I was going to buy a moisturizer, just not this specific one. Anyway, this one is from Drunk Elephant, and it's Protini Polypeptide Cream, and this is the packaging for it. Nice white and green little box here, and it says, let me read it for you. This breakthrough protein moisturizer combines an unprecedented array and concentration of signal peptides, growth factors, supportive amino acids, and pygmy water lily for visible and immediate improvement in the appearance of skin's tone, texture, and firmness. Protini's proprietary formula restores younger, revived-looking skin almost from the first application. Lines, wrinkles, and signs of sun damage appear reduced, and skin feels strengthened and moisturized. So those are the claims. I really have been enjoying this moisturizer. The consistency of it is amazing. It's not jelly. It's not a thick, like heavy cream. It's not like a runny like lotion, like a little bit too like wet feeling. Like, it's the perfect consistency. This is what it looks like out of the box. And then I really love like the whole gimmick of it. You just press this down and the perfect amount of cream comes out, and like I said, the consistency is amazing. It has no scent, so it's not going to irritate you, and it just feels great, and it hydrates, and you don't feel greasy or anything of that sort. Like, I really have been enjoying this moisturizer a lot. I use it in the daytime and in the nighttime, so I'm really happy I picked it up. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but with the 20% off, you know, it helped. So definitely enjoying this. Okay, that's it for skincare. Now I picked up just two other things makeup wise, and I needed a new mascara. I have been using the Better Than Sex from Too Faced, I believe, and it's definitely dried out, so I needed a new one, and I picked up the Lancome mascara, the HYPNOSE Drama. It gives you volume and it gives you length, and the color is excessive black, so anything that's beyond black is great in my book. I have bought this before, so I already knew that it was going to be a great mascara. I love Lancome. I feel like you can't go wrong with any of their mascaras. This is what the wand looks like. It has a nice like little curve to it, and I feel like you can't go wrong with Lancome mascaras. Any one of them is really gonna give you the nice volume and drama that you're looking for when you apply mascara. So definitely can't go wrong with this one. And lastly, I picked up a new foundation, and this is from Natasha Denona, the Foundatin X, and I have mine in the shade 60. And it's so funny because online, like, 60 is not there. It goes from like 50 to 70. And I'm like, how come 60 is like not there at all? Like, that's just so weird. But anyway, I got mine in the shade 60, and this is what the bottle looks like. It has that frosty packaging like the Fenty from Rihanna. It's nice. It's nice and small and chubby. I like the packaging. It's supposed to be a full coverage foundation and matte, but I wouldn't say that it's full coverage. It's definitely a medium coverage. You can definitely build it up for more coverage, and it doesn't feel cakey at all. It has like a moussey consistency, which is really nice because it's easy to work with. It blends out really nicely. I've tried it out with a brush and with a beauty blender, and I must say that I actually prefer it with the beauty blender. It gives it such a beautiful, flawless finish, and even though this says that it's matte, I feel like it's more of like a satiny matte finish. It's not like a flat matte finish at all. And I really have been liking this. You have to make sure that you shake it well before you use it. And like I said, I've used it with the brush and the beauty blender, and I think I kind of prefer the beauty blender. Like, it just blended out much nicer. Like, when I first tried it with the brush, I kind of didn't like it right away because I'm like, this is not blending really nicely. Like, it looked a little patchy. But then after it set, it looked really nice. But from the get-go with the beauty blender, it just blends out much different, and I just really, really like it. So yeah, this is a great foundation if you're looking for something that gives you good coverage and you can build it up, and It doesn't feel heavy at all. Like I said, it's a moussey consistency, so it goes on lightweight, and it's also with a pump, which is great. I love foundations that come with a pump. And yeah, I have been really, really enjoying this. I've worn it like 4 times already, I want to say. I do want to mention that it does not keep me matte. Like, this is something that I would have to like touch up with some powder, because I do get some shininess throughout the day. So it definitely doesn't keep you matte, or at least it doesn't keep me matte the entire day. So I would have to retouch, but I don't mind retouching. I retouch regardless, so it's not a big deal for me. But I have been enjoying this, and I am happy that I picked it up. Okay guys, so that is it for this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you are a new sub, thank you so much for subbing to my channel, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and I hope to be back with a new video soon. Bye guys.